Namaskar and good evening. Today we will look at Infotech company. All of you have heard of Larsen and Toubro. Larsen and Toubro has a subsidiary, Larsen and Toubro Infotech Ltd, that has been making waves, progressing every year wonderfully. Larsen and Toubro has another recently acquired subsidiary, Mindtree. We are not going to talk about that now. I have already made a video on that. Larsen and Toubro Infotech, we'll see. It's a global technology consulting and digital solutions company. More than 400 clients, 32 countries. Now, first we'll look at the latest news, December 7th news, 2020. So, Larsen and Toubro Infotech, or LTI, let us say, LTI. LTI has entered into a strategic partnership with Injazat, 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 a UAE, United Arab Emirates based leader. He is also in similar field, digital transformation. Now, both of them together, they want to implement the new best shore service delivery model that is set to redefine a new era in regional digital leadership. Injazat is expected to add considerable depth to its digital innovation ecosystem. The partnership builds on the existing ongoing relationship between the two countries. Now, the LTI has also released an Analyst Day presentation. Beautiful. Give some interesting details. Between Q2 FY16 to Q2 FY21, that is in 5 years, till the latest Q2 FY21, from Q2 FY16, market cap has grown by 3.7x. EPS has grown by 2.1x. Quarterly revenue has grown by 1.8x. In 5 years, 1.8x. And EBIT has grown by 1.5x. And in H1 of the current year, ending September, it has had a lot of deals, 7 large deals for $456 million, etc., etc. In Q2, 1 million plus clients are 137, 5 million plus clients are 48, 10 million plus clients are 27. Now, LTI says its pipeline is 1.9 billion, large deal pipeline, 62% year-on-year growth. So, this is the latest Injazat collaboration and the latest analyst presentation. LTI is having a lot of confidence on itself, its future. It wants to exceed $1 billion revenue through its latest innovations. Whether it will actually do it, we'll see. The management consists of A.M. Naik, founder chairman, S.N. Subramanian, non-executive vice chairman, Sanjay Zelona, managing director and CEO. So first we'll take a look at the quarterly results also. Net sales are 2,998 crores. Previous quarter, 2,949 crores. And year ago quarter, 2,571 crores. So the growth is 16.64% year on year. Quarter on quarter, small growth of 1.67%. Now, final net profit, 455.6 crores, latest Q2. Q1, 416.6 crores. Year ago quarter, 360.1 crores. So, year on year, net profit has grown by 26.52%. See, net sales have grown by 16.64% year on year. Net profit, final net profit has grown by 26.52%. And final net profit has grown by 9.36% quarter on quarter. That is compared to Q1. Equity is 17.5. Reserves are 6,310 crores. Basic UPS is 26.13, but face value is just rupees 1. Look at that. On a face value of rupees 1, the quarterly EPS is 26.13. So, very significant performance. Employee cost, etc., nothing much to say. Total expenditure is 2,402 crores. That's almost static. Previous quarter also 2,435. Year ago quarter 2,171. So 10.64% growth is there in total expenditure. The current market price is 3,305. Look at that. Face value rupees 1, market price is 3,305. So that's because the EPS is very, very high. Price earning is 31.84, a little high, but probably people have great faith in LTI, that is Larsen & Toubro Infotech. The volumes of transactions are more than 2 lakhs, so buying and selling is not a problem. 52-week low was 1,207. 52-week high is 3,515. Currently it is at 3,305. So many times when we look at this 52-week low and high, mostly lows have come around April. Before at the time the COVID started, people were terribly shaken. So prices have fallen to 52-week low. Whoever purchased at that time, now it has grown by almost 3x. So now 3,500 and odd, 3,305 now. 52-week high is 3,500. So still technical rating, if you see, it is bullish. Market cap is 57,800 crores. Now we'll also see the annual sales. I want to see not only quarterly sales, but annual sales also for the last 5 years. 5 years ago, March 2016 year, 5,846 crores sales. 5,846 crores sales 5 years ago. Now 10,878. There is a gradual growth. It's not a one-time affair. It has been growing from 5,000 to 6,000 to 7,000 to 9,000 to 10,000 now. So every year LTI has been growing. Likewise, net profit has grown from 836 crores to 1,520 crores in March 2020 year. Sales have grown from 5,800 crores to 10,800 crores. Net profit has grown from 800 crores to 1,500 crores. This is impressive. So that is why it is commanding price earning of 35. Now cash flows, operating activities 1,643 crores, investing activities minus 652. So it's investing a lot. See, minus 650, you have to understand the significance. It is investing 652 crores during that year in expansion activities. Financing activities minus 890, it has given. Others say 8. Net cash flow is 110. Okay. So cash flows are reasonably good. Historical prices. 3 years before 1,049. Now 3,310. It has been growing. 2 years before 1,749 rupees. 3 years before 1,049. 2 years before 1,749. 1 year before 1,600. 3 months before 2,699. 1 month before. See, most of the price growth has come during the last 1 year. from 1,600 to 3,300, even 3,500 at one time. It has come during the last 1 year. So sometimes we feel that it was a lost opportunity. Warren Buffett says, when the price falls so low and you feel the company is good, you take advantage of that. Many times he has said that when people are afraid, you get in. When people are bullish, you get out. Something like that. Now, dividends this company has been giving very good. See, in October, 1,500% interim dividend. And for last year, interim dividend was 1,250%, and final dividend was 1,550%. Earlier also similar, 1,250 interim, 1,550% final. So now 1,500 interim they have given, final they may give another 1,500, something like that. So very good dividend payout in LTI. Shareholding pattern, if you see, the promoters are having 74.36%. Very good. Pledge is 0. That's very good. The company is very cash rich. Pledge is 0. They don't have any problem. Now, book value last year end it was around 310. It had grown in the last 5 years from 125 to 311. Dividend, very good dividend. Face value ₹1. Gross profit margin is very good at 21.68. Operating profit margin 19.17. Net profit margin 13.97. All very good. Return on net worth 28.12%. ROCE 32.1%, ROCE 32.11%. Very good. Return on assets is 17.2. All return ratios are very good. Margin ratios are also very good. If you look at the liquidity ratios, current ratio 2.7. So liquidity is very good. Debt equity ratio 0.01. Excellent. So almost nil debt. Very small debt. The company has signed 2 large contracts so far this quarter and sees strong opportunities in the cloud and data products business. You know, in fact, during the COVID-19 period, so far from April now, the company has been trying hard to get more and more contracts and innovate a lot of things. So that it has taken actually as an opportunity. An adversity was taken as an opportunity by LTI. Of course, many others also have done like that, but LTI especially has done that. LTI has won 2 large contracts. One was a contract for $205 million project and said that its large deal pipeline is up 62% from last year to $1.9 billion now. Large deals have been the mainstay of LTI's revenue growth and outperformance. It is outperforming many of its peers. When COVID-19 struck, the world project inflows have slowed down for most of the people. Now, in Q2, it has won 2 large contracts in the last 6 months. So, revenues from, especially it is expecting cloud business. Cloud is the latest technology. Of course, Infosys and TCS are also trying to do large business in cloud. LTI also is trying to do large business. From current $180 million to $1 billion, it wants to improve in 3 years. $1 billion. Analysts are astounded. 180 million to 1 billion in 3 years. So it is already working with so many hyperscalers in cloud like Amazon, AWS, Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, and so many others. It has announced a separate business unit for cloud and expects $1 billion revenue from that. So let us see. LTI is a very good addition to anybody's portfolio, but very costly. And 3,300 is a big price to pay. So anyway, I will come up before you with another very good company. Till then, thank you.